The Arrange group on the Page Layout tab is used to arrange the objects in a worksheet. This worksheet has three objects: a shape, an icon, and a 3D model. Click Selection pane to view the list of objects at the right. The first object is the 3D model, the zebra. The second one is the icon, and the third is the star. You can hide the display of all the objects by clicking Hide All in the Selection pane. Click Show All to redisplay them. To hide an individual object, click the eye symbol next to it. Click the dash to redisplay it. You can create a group of multiple objects. Let's select the first object by clicking it and then clicking the other two, keeping the Control key pressed. Now, on the Page Layout tab, in the Arrange group, select Group, Group. A box appears around the objects indicating that they will be treated as a single object now. You can see that a group has appeared in the Selection pane. Now, you can perform any action on the group. For example, moving it. It will affect all the three objects. To ungroup the objects, select Group, Ungroup. Now the three objects are treated as individual objects once again. Deselect the objects by clicking outside and select any one. Say the icon in the middle. To rotate it, click Rotate and select an option. You can also use the rotation handle at the top to rotate the object as required. To see the other options in the Arrange group, let's place the objects over each other. Drag the star and zebra towards the central objects. You can see that the star appears behind all the objects while the zebra is positioned in the front. This is because the star was created first and the zebra last. You can change this positioning as desired. Say, you want to bring the star in front of the icon. For this, select the star and in the Arrange group, select Bring Forward, Bring Forward. This brings the star one level forward. Now the icon is at the bottom of the stack. To bring the icon right in front, select it and then select Bring Forward, Bring to Front. Select Send Backward and click Send Backward, and to send it back to the last position, Send to Back. The Align icon is used to align objects as desired. Select all three objects, keeping the Control key pressed. Now, click Align and select an option. The objects get aligned accordingly. In this way, you can use the options in the Arrange group to arrange the objects in your worksheet as desired.